Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning. How are you all? I hope you are fine. Today your English lecture day. I am your English teacher from PMS Girls 2. First of all, I will revise a previous one. Means ABC start ABC song with phonic sound. Okay, with the sound of letter. Okay, again start with me. A says A. A says A. A says A. Words come after A? B. Words come after A? B. B says B. B says B. Words come after B? C. C says K. C says K. Words come after C? D. D says D. D says D. Words come after D? E. E says A. E says A. Words come after E? F. F says F. F says F. Words come after F? G. Words come after F? G. G says G. G says G. Words come after G? H. Words come after G? H. H says H says words come after H? I. I says E. I says E. Words come after I? J. J says J. J says J. Words come after J? K. Words come after J? K. K says K. K says K. Words come after K? L. L says L. L says L. Words come after L? M. M says M says Words come after M? N. N says N says Words come after N? O. O says O. Words come after O? P. P says P. P says P. Words come after P? Q. Q says Qu. Q says Qu. Words come after Q? R. Words come after Q? R. R says R. R says R. Words come after R? S. S says S. S says S. Words come after S? T. T says T. T says T. Words come after T? U. U says U says Words come after U? V. V says wo. Words come after V? W. W says wo. W says wo. Words come after W? X. X says X. X says X. Words come after X? Y. Y says Y. Y says Y. Words come after Y? Z. Z says Z. Z says Z. Okay, these are all capital alphabet. You will learn with phonic sound. Okay, which letter, which sound you will learn it. Okay. First of all, I will show us some colorful objects. Okay, and you will answer me. What is this? And what is the color of this object? And what is the sound of this object? Okay. For example, what is this? What is this? Apple. What is this? Apple. And what is the color of apple? अब आपके पास शो मी ऑब्जेक्ट मैडम ने शो कर दिया आपको, ठीक है. एंड व्हाट इज दिस? एप्पल. व्हाट इज द कलर ऑफ एप्पल? रेड. अब व्हाट स्टार्ट अ साउंड. ए सेज ए. ए सेज ए. ए सेज ए. ए ए apple. A says a apple. Very good. What's come up next objects? What is this? Ball. What is this? Ball. It's a colorful ball, na? Pink and white. What is the starting sound of ball? ठीक है. B says bo. What is this? B. B says bo. B says bo. Ball. Ball. What's come after B? Okay, next, what is this? Carrot. What is this? Carrot. What is the color of carrot? Orange. What is the color of carrot? Orange. And starting sound of carrot, C. What is this? C. Capital C. C says k, k, k. Carrot. K, k. Carrot. Very good. What is this? Doll. You are a pretty doll now. What is this? Doll. अब this is आपको मैडम वन राइम भी करवाएंगी हेल्प ऑफ डॉल से, ठीक है. पार्ट ऑफ बॉडी, ठीक है. जैसे आपके पार्ट ऑफ बॉडी, सर आपको इस डॉल के भी पार्ट ऑफ बॉडी नजर आ रहे हैं ना. हेड, शोल्डर, नीज एंड टोस. डू यू नो विच राइम? हेड एंड शोल्डर, नीज एंड टोस. ठीक है. ओके, व्हाट इज दिस? डॉल. डी सेज ड, ड ड doll, the doll. Okay, what's come after D? What is this? Elephant. What is this? Elephant. Starting sound of E. E says e. E says e, e, e. Elephant. Very good. And what is this? Flower. What is this? Flower. Do you like flower? What is the color of flower? Pink, red. Okay, different color. What is this? F. F says flower. Flower. Different object you will show it and your reader book will be included in this course. Okay. आपने उसमें जितनी पिक्चर्स हैं वो हमने फोनिक साउंड के साथ लर्न करनी है. बट अब आपके पास सामने कैपिटल स्मॉल आपको ABC नज़र आ रही है. कैपिटल एंड स्मॉल. लर्न इट. कैपिटल A, स्मॉल A. कैपिटल B, स्मॉल B. कैपिटल C, स्मॉल C. कैपिटल D, स्मॉल D. कैपिटल E, स्मॉल E. कैपिटल F, स्मॉल F. कैपिटल G, स्मॉल G. कैपिटल H, स्मॉल H. कैपिटल I, स्मॉल I. कैपिटल J, स्मॉल J. कैपिटल K, स्मॉल K. कैपिटल L, स्मॉल L. कैपिटल M, स्मॉल M. कैपिटल N, स्मॉल N. कैपिटल O, स्मॉल O. कैपिटल P, स्मॉल P. कैपिटल Q, स्मॉल Q. कैपिटल R, स्मॉल R. कैपिटल S, स्मॉल S. कैपिटल T, स्मॉल T. कैपिटल U, स्मॉल U. कैपिटल V, स्मॉल V. कैपिटल W, स्मॉल W. कैपिटल X, स्मॉल X. कैपिटल Y, स्मॉल Y. कैपिटल Z, स्मॉल Z. These are all capital and small alphabets. Okay. After that I will come. After ABC you will come on this one page. ठीक है. You will draw a straight line, slanting line and semicircle dotted form. First of all blank page आप लेंगी. आपको मम्मा को कहीं पेन दें उसमें आप कार्टन बर्ड भी पुट कर सकती है. ब्रश है, ब्रश से भी, नहीं तो आप लिटिल फिंगर से भी पुट करके जस्ट यू विल ड्रा अ स्ट्रेट लाइन. स्ट्रेट मीन स्ट्रेट वर्टिकल लाइन. डाउन 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 टच. ठीक है. स्ट्रेट वर्टिकल लाइन, स्ट्रेट स्टैंडिंग लाइन. अगेन यू विल ड्रा फ्री हैंड. डाउन 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 टच एंड स्टॉप. अंडरस्टैंड. एंड हाउ मेनी लाइन्स डू यू हैव टू वर्क इन इंग्लिश नोटबुक? 4 लाइन्स. ठीक है. तो फर्स्ट यू विल ड्रा लाइन, फर्स्ट 3 लाइन. काउंट देन 1 2 3 4. Put the pencil on first one line and start a straight standing line. Put the pencil on first one line and down 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 touch, again down 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 touch and stop. First 3 line you will draw a straight standing line. Okay. After that you will show a dotted form. This is your notebook page. Okay. First 3 line में आपको dots नज़र आ रहे हैं. Put the pencil first 1 dot and first line. देखिए 1 2 3 first 3 line में. Down 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 touch, again down 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 touch and stop. Straight standing line you will draw first 3 line. Again put the pencil first 1 line and first dot. down, 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 touch. Join the dot slowly, slowly, one by one, down, 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 touch and stop. This is your notebook, page number 4. This is your English notebook. Open it, page number 4. This one. Okay, page number 4. You will show a first three line में proper dot. Put the pencil, sharp your pencil first of all and take a first 3 finger, okay, thumb and 2 finger, and put the pencil first one dot and first line, down, 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 touch and stop. First 3 line में complete the full page, okay, full page, and close your notebook. Understand? One page, this one notebook you will write down today, and 2 pages to your my tasks, okay. This one activity sheet number 13. First of all complete the dots, then you will color it, okay. And you are on, आप कलर करना चाहते हैं या नहीं, इट्स ओके, बट दिस वन पिक्स, इस पर आपके पास स्टेटमेंट है ट्रेस एंड कलर, मीन्स कि आपने इसको ट्रेस करना है और फिर इसमें मस्त कलरिंग करनी है, ओके. थैंक यू सो मच. अल्लाह हाफिज़.